Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zakia. Today I am making German pancakes, also known as Dutch babies, and these are a type of pancake that is baked in the oven. Using a blender, I will show you how easy these are to make, popular as a breakfast dish or for brunch. This recipe will serve 5 people and takes about 30 minutes to make, which include a 5-minute prep and 25 minutes of baking. So let's get started. To a blender, add in 6 whole eggs. Then add in 1 cup of full cream milk, a pinch of salt, and this is fine salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of flour, and then just blend this for 1 minute. That's how easy it is. Then in a casserole, add in 5 tablespoons of butter and smear this throughout. This casserole dish is about 25 centimeters in diameter. Pour the blended batter into the casserole dish and bake in a preheated oven 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. And watch those pancakes grow. It's so exciting to see how it blows up to be so huge. It's actually quite magical. Remove from the oven and then allow it to cool for a bit. Then, to decorate, we're going to drizzle a generous amount of maple syrup, sprinkle some fruits of your choice, can be any fruits that you like, and then dust this with icing sugar. This smells so good and looks divine. Quickly and easily made in a blender. Too easy. Cut, slice, serve, and enjoy while it's still hot. You can connect with me on my social media pages. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next vlog.